Hey folks, Heath Grossman here for your Money Wisdom question of the day. Today's question is, what has changed this tax season and how can I benefit? So last year's so-called One Big Beautiful Bill enacted several new tax laws for the 2025 tax season and beyond, right? So I know that this is 2026 right now, but we're talking about 2025 taxes because this is the taxes that you'd be sitting down now in preparation for. So while some provisions from 2017, such as lower tax rates, have been extended, there's also some newer opportunities that could benefit you. So number one, primarily increased standard deduction. And so the main factor here with this new bill is that it made permanent the higher standard deduction and increased it for 2025 and beyond. So we have a standard deduction for a single person that's $15,750. That's single or married filing separately. If you're married filing jointly, that's a standard deduction of $31,500. If you are 65 and older, it's actually a little bit more. And speaking of people that are 65 and older, there's actually another sort of super senior deduction, and that's up to $6,000 per individual, right? So if you have both people in a couple that are 65 and older, that could be up to $12,000, right? There are some phase outs based on income, right? So if your modified adjusted gross income single is above 75,000 or 150,000, you could see that limited. And now this is not permanent. It's only going to be available for 2025 through 2028. So ultimately, what do these numbers mean, right? Lower taxable income and thus lower taxes for really most everyone out there. Many seniors, we've talked about seniors a couple of times, many seniors are going to pay little to no federal tax on their Social Security benefits. Now, I want to be clear. This bill did not eliminate federal taxes on Social Security, but the estimation that the higher standard deduction and that extra senior deduction is going to very much increase the percentage of people in this country that do not pay federal taxes on Social Security. The other aspect of this is maybe some more tax planning opportunities, such as Roth IRA contributions. If we have lower taxes, lower taxable income, for some people out there, it could make sense to do some type of Roth conversion strategy, which in and of itself is an entirely different question, and I know we've talked about it many times, and we will certainly continue to talk about that. In any case, to learn more, check out our episode on how a tax return works. Click the link in the description to watch that. And hopefully this was helpful for you. Hopefully you learned some things. Certainly give us a like and share it with a friend.